Hey YouTube, John Woods here. Wanted to do a follow-up review on my truck here. It's a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. Bought this truck new a couple months ago, 6, 7, 8 months ago, something like that, from Keene Dodge in Jarrettsville, Maryland. Initially, loved the truck, right? Everything was perfect on it. There was a couple outside body chips that needed to be touched up. They said they'd take care of that. Before I drove off the lot though, noticed something with the back window. It wasn't opening and closing correctly. So I told them about it. They said, well, we'll take it into the shop and see what's wrong. They do that. A little while later, as I'm doing paperwork, they come out. Yep, sprayed it with some WD-40. Everything's good. It's all fixed, working like a champ. Okay. So take off up the road and get home. About 3-4 months into it, I noticed that the back window is acting up again. I also noticed where the windshield meets the dash, there's a rubber seal. It's really sticky. I'm not sure what the purpose of it is, what it's exactly called, but I called the dealer. Said, hey, look, back window's jacked up. The seal's coming back out of the dash. We need to get it fixed. So in between, it was a lot of back and forth. Take it down there. Yep, we see it. We'll order the pieces. Take it back home. They call me. Hey, we're going to have to order a brand new dash. There's no replacement piece for this. Your back window's on back order. All this crap. So, total of 5 dashes were ordered. Every dash that was ordered had these imperfections. Now, the very last time that they had my truck, it was a total of 38 days straight. And that's because of the dash and the back window. When I went down to pick it up the 4th time, they repaired the back window, but it looked like they took a pry tool, like a crowbar, to get the back window out. Paint damage, dents, you name it, it was done to the back window. I did document everything in a website that I created. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But it got to the point, you know, all this repair, all my time going down there, it was ridiculous, and the service sucked. So I created a case with the FCA, and at this point, I'm getting rid of this truck, and I have a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited on order. So I just wanted to show you guys, see what you think. So the back window, like I said, it was repaired, but they put the wrong back window in. This one doesn't have heating elements, so the rear defrost doesn't work. I hope you can see in this photo that there's handprints on the top, and the upholstery, the headliner on each side, left and right, is also coming down. The clips for the hangers to hide the screws for the Torx, they broke those off. The side's the same way. Let's see if I can get up closer for you. Yeah, so it's hanging down. Not happy at all. The dash here, there's a hell of a gap. I don't think you could see it clear on here, but I wanted to document this just in case anybody 2018 is ordering a new dash. Just be on the lookout for this. I'm not sure you can see it. This side, you should be able to see it very good. It's not an actual tear, it's a texture issue, and when you're driving, I mean, you can really see it. The other thing I had an issue with is on this left hand side where the A pillar meets the dash. I mean, it's tight. There's no gap. However, on the passenger side, there is a gap. Now this one's not as bad. I'm a somewhat big guy, so my hands are pretty big. I can still fit my pinky down in there. And the vent here, I'm not sure that the vent even fits this dash. I know they broke the vent tabs off, so I can actually pull that vent out. But it amazes me that a dealer can do that, and I think that it's okay. So let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I'm in a fine mood right now. FCA is taking care of it after creating the website, contacting corporate headquarters, and not taking no for an answer. Now there's a nice inside deal that I won't go into detail about, but it's allowing me to order this 2019 Limited, which I'm very anxious to get. It should have been here tomorrow, but they moved the ETA till the 21st of this month, so hopefully we can get that and start doing a review on that. I'm also going to add pretty much all the options I did on here, you know, the tonneau cover, the tinting, the windows, the LEDs, cargo divider, just a slew of things. So I'll keep you guys updated on that, and until then, like, subscribe. In case this is your first time around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the alert. I hope to be putting out a lot more content here on a weekly basis for you guys, so let me know what you think. Take care.